I believe most of y'all just have the sweatcoin app on your mobile phone and you don't know that the sweat wallet is already up. Alright, today I'm making this video. It's remaining like 4 days to the launch of sweatcoin, so we're gonna see how you can download the sweatcoin wallet, the sweat wallet, and then be able to log into your account and wait for the launch. If you're already here before the launch or after the launch, then this is just the same way, the same process, so that you can transfer your sweatcoin from your sweatcoin wallet to sweat, because sweat now is the cryptocurrency. Sweatcoin is the coin you earn when you work, then it is then transferred to sweat. All right, let's do that right. So if you're using your sweatcoin app, you see the download button displayed on your app already. So if you don't have that on yours, so what you need to do is to update your app. So once you click on the download button of the wallet right there, just the way I just did, since I'm using Android phone, so it will take me to my Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, it will take you to iOS store, where you'll be able to install the sweat wallet. So you click on install and then allow it to install successfully. So there it is, it has been installed, all the security has been checkmate. So I have to click on it to open it, and then it will prompt me to enter a passcode. Since this is a wallet that needs security, it always prompt for passcode, which I did. Okay, so now you can log into your sweatcoin wallet, or you can use an alternative login method. So for me, I recommend logging with your sweatcoin wallet, which I just did there. So it will take you to your sweatcoin wallet, where you have to approve the login, then it will log in. So this looks so beautiful while it's logging in. It looks so slick. So what this actually do is, at this point, it actually synchronize your sweatcoin wallet to your sweatcoin app to your sweatcoin wallet. Okay, so this is the first screenshot telling you to welcome, and then showing you the crypto, that the amount of sweatcoin that you have, just like mine is showing right there on this wallet. So you see the other information right here saying sweat is a new cryptocurrency you create with your movement. Unlike sweatcoin, sweat is a real cryptocurrency which can trade and grow even outside our apps. Okay, so this is the real cryptocurrency. Okay, then this other one, if you click next, it will tell you your future steps. Your first 5,000 steps every day will generate sweat. The rest of your steps will convert into sweat coins. Start now, as generating sweat will get harder over time. Okay, that has been the initial statement, that to generate sweat coin will be really hard after now. Okay, so telling people to leverage on this opportunity. So you can see that mine is it's about 3 days. This is the third day I'm recording, the second day I'm recording this video. So you can see here, it's here. Let me go through the button one by one. You can see that it's coming soon. All right, so the first button right here, see, transfer. This allows you to transfer from one user to the other. Then the add sweat, you can actually click add sweat coin by sending an address to people to receive the sweat coin. Then grow. This it should be their means of just investing or growing your sweat coin. Then exchange, you can exchange your sweat coin to other crypto. So it's actually a very slick wallet. The good thing about it is that it's not difficult while logging in. It's just a straightforward something. But I hope that sometime they will add something like a button or something that you won't have to go through the other sweatcoin app, which is this one, before being able to log into the sweat wallet app. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.